If you're anything like me, you love the look of hanging ferns on a porch, but I'm not great at remembering to water them. I know, that's horrible. So we are using these PABREY Faux hanging ferns instead. These come already set in the hanging basket, so there's nothing to assemble. You literally take them out of the box, fluff the leaves a little, and hang them up on the porch. Once they're up, they actually look really convincing. The fern leaves have good volume and drape naturally, so they don't have that stiff, obviously fake look you sometimes see with the artificial plants. But what really sold me on these is that they're UV resistant, which means they're made to handle being outdoors without fading quickly. So they keep that fresh green look, whether it's sunny, hot, or I forget about them for a while. Now the porch has that full green, welcoming look all the time without having to worry about watering and schedules or plants passing away on me. We were sent these to test out, and if you want the charm of hanging baskets but none of the upkeep, these are a really easy way to add some greenery to a porch, patio, or even a balcony.